We'll guide you through how to transfer files to Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the Drive interface with a list of your files and folders. To upload a file, look for the New button on the left side of the screen. It's usually at the top left corner, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you the choice to upload a file or an entire folder. If you want to upload a single file, click on File Upload. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the file you want to transfer. Select the file and click Open. You'll see a small progress window at the bottom right showing the upload status. If you want to upload a whole folder, choose Folder Upload from the same drop-down menu. Select the folder you want to upload and click Upload, and the entire folder will be transferred to your Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in your Drive. If you want to organize them, you can drag and drop the files into specific folders within Drive. For quick access to important files, you might want to create shortcuts by right-clicking on the file and selecting Add Shortcut to Drive. If you need to share these files with others, you can right-click the file or folder, select Share, and then enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Set their permissions as viewers, commenters, or editors, depending on what you want them to do. Finally, click Send. And that's it. Your files are now safely stored and organized in Google Drive, accessible from anywhere you have internet access. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.